A hernia occurs when an organ or fatty tissue squeezes through a weak spot in the surrounding muscle or connective tissue. They happen most often in the abdomen, belly button, groin, or near scar tissue from a past surgery. Hernias can be brought on by lifting heavy objects, pregnancy, constipation, and persistent coughing or sneezing. BraceAbility's hernia belt can be worn by men or women, fitting a variety of body shapes and sizes. It features a silicone molded pad that provides localized support over your hernia, decreasing pain and preventing your hernia from protruding. A removable and washable terry cloth fabric covers the pad, making it soft against your skin. The belt is 5 inches tall and made of breathable nylon and spandex blended material for all-day comfort. This lightweight and latex-free fabric allows you to wear the belt discreetly under or over your clothing. It is even flexible enough to wear while working out. 2 supportive spiral stays on the back prevent the belt from rolling or bunching, making it comfortable to sit, stand, or lie in. However, they can be removed if desired. Another outstanding feature of this belt is the medical-grade Velcro fastener. It is designed to open and close 900 times, making it 10 times stronger than standard retail-grade Velcro. Identify the inside of the belt by locating the tag. Take the pad and attach it to the opposite end. Wrap the belt around your body so that the pad is positioned over your hernia. Then secure the fastener, making sure you attach the end of the belt to the compatible padded area. Adjust the position of the pad and belt as needed. For optimal support, the raised bump on the pad should put pressure directly on your hernia. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us at support@braceability.com or call us at 866-712-7808. And if you'd like to see similar videos in the future, please subscribe to our channel. Also, click here to learn more about another abdominal brace that can also be used for hernia relief.